Hi, my name is Samuel Baraza. I run a digital marketing agency based in Kenya. We help a number of organizations and brands improve their online presence. Apart from that, I've helped a number of people and even employees in different organizations know how to code. And here's my story basically. Way back in campus, that was over like 15 years ago, we used to have these theoretical lessons in class where they would teach us programming theoretically. And it was upon your own initiative to be able to learn programming practically. And all of us know you can never know how to code if you don't learn it practically. So, and then after that, when I came to the job market, I only found that 30% of what I learned in campus was actually practical in the real world life. And that is why we created Effortless Coding, to help young people be able to learn the concepts of coding that are actually practical in the job place or in the marketplace, so that once you're out of, let's say, school, college, or university, you're able to learn, or rather you're able to use those particular skills in a practical way in the job industry. Our tutorials are very beginner friendly, and anyone who has interest and passion in programming will be able to learn, as long as you take step-by-step measures, making sure that your process is smooth. Start from the first tutorial that we post until the end of every series, and at the end of every series we'll have a real life project that will actually help us to know how to apply what we've learned into the real life project. So for those parents and guardians out there, encourage your kids to join this particular channel where they will learn different facets of coding. We'll handle different languages, starting with the basic to the most complicated, but we'll try to make it as beginner friendly as possible. So why wait? Subscribe now, share this channel with your friends, and whatever feedback you have, you can always comment on our comment section with any video. So follow us on our social media channels. You can see the links are actually on your screen. Let's make coding fun, easy, and effortless, just as our name is Effortless Coding. So until next time, it's kudos!